Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with technology. And today we're going to have a look at how to firmware update the Alesis Strike MultiPad drum controller. So the first thing I've done is go to alesis.com. I'm going to go up here to products and multipads. There it is, Strike MultiPad, and scroll down. So here are the downloads and the feature update version 1.3. Now I found when I clicked that it didn't automatically download. So what I'm going to do now is copy link address, go to a new tab and paste it in. And the download is ready to go. So I'm going to save that, open it up and unzip it and close it down. And up it comes, Strike MultiPad feature update version 1.3. So let's readme, open that up. So I've connected a FAT32 USB flash drive to my computer, and there's the file LDST UPD DAT ready to go. And simply drag it in. So unplug the USB. There it is. Now the next one is important. Make sure the Strike MultiPad is powered off before you insert the USB flash drive. So I'm going to go to the back of the unit, and there is the USB. So let's plug that in, making sure that the unit is off. There it is. So on the top panel of the Strike MultiPad, press and hold the BPM and click buttons located above the main encoder. So these two here, BPM and the metronome, I think they mean. While still holding these buttons, power Strike MultiPad on, and on it comes. Press enter to update. So to do that, that's the main encoder here. So let's just click on that, and it is updating. So the update will take approximately 5 minutes, and it's important to make sure you do not remove the USB flash drive or power off the multipad unit until the update is complete. Update successful, please reset. So I'm going to power off the unit, hold the button in, remove the USB drive, and then power on as normal. And there it is, version 1.3.0. Simple. I hope this has been useful. If it has been, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Strike MultiPad. Bye for now.